coming from my bling washer. Just to let you know, do not buy this brand.